Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these white chocolate and macadamia nut cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your room temperature butter followed by the granulated white sugar and the light brown sugar. Then mix these all together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. You're not looking for it to become super light and fluffy, but just combined enough that it's pulling away from the bowl. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in your egg and vanilla and mix until the egg has been fully incorporated. You will notice a change in the consistency, and this is completely normal, so don't worry if it looks a bit too loose, this is fine. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So make sure to get the top and the very bottom of the bowl, as that's where normally the bits that don't incorporate get stuck. So just check there and incorporate them a little bit now. You can then go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, which are the flour with baking powder, followed by the macadamia nuts and the white chocolate chips. Then mix on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium just until a dough has formed. You're not looking for a super sticky dough or anything, and if it is super sticky, you may have gone wrong somewhere, so double check the recipe. Once it's started to incorporate and the dough starts to form, you don't want to overmix it too much, so just mix until a clear dough forms, then stop. Then you can take a cookie scoop or an ice cream scoop and scoop up your dough, and then just round it off and flatten it, and then place it onto your tray, and you should be able to get 5 or 6 onto a standard size baking tray. If you're using bigger or smaller pans or trays, you'll be able to get more or less on. Once you've got your tray, you can then go ahead and place them into the oven and bake them off. They will spread a little bit, but not too much. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So then when it comes to finishing these cookies off, it's really simple. All you want to do is add on some white chocolate chips and some more of the macadamia nuts, just in whatever formation or pattern that you'd like. I just went with a random, so you got some chocolate chips and then some macadamia, but that's completely up to you and how you want to decorate. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.